Have you ever wondered why your cat seems to be constantly cleaning itself? Well, you're not wrong.
Believe it or not, cats spend a whopping 30% of their waking hours just on grooming.
That's a huge chunk of their day dedicated to staying fresh and clean. Think about it. If a cat is awake for about 16 hours a day, that's almost 5 hours spent just on their personal hygiene routine. It's not just about looking good, though. Grooming helps them regulate their body temperature, stimulates blood flow, and even helps them relax. It's like a spa day every day.
So, next time you see your furry friend meticulously licking their paws, you'll know they're not just being picky, they're being super groomers.
It's one of the many fascinating and adorable things that make cats so special.
For more amazing animal facts, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks
For watching!